Uline's plastic reusable bulk containers provide secure, weather-resistant protection for shipping or storing supplies for job sites and manufacturing facilities. With a three-piece design that includes a plastic pallet, lid, and triple-layered plastic sleeve, these bulk containers can be used multiple times. Plastic reusable bulk containers have a weight capacity up to 3,500 pounds, as well as a four-way entry pallet, allowing them to be easily transported throughout your facility. Plastic reusable bulk containers are easy to assemble without the use of any tools. Unfold the plastic sleeve and drop it into the base. Lock all four tabs on the bottom of the pallet to secure it to the sleeve. The hook and loop strips secure the drop-down panel for easy loading and unloading. After loading items into the container, detach the drop-down panel and secure the lid by sliding all four tabs into the locked position. Plastic reusable bulk containers can be stacked up to 4 containers high. The pallets interlock with the lid to provide extra load stability when stacked. When not in use, plastic reusable bulk containers are easy to break down and have a collapsed height of only 10 inches for space-saving storage. Whatever your shipping supply needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.